Hello guys and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can deactivate the dynamic stability control or only stability control. It is about the BMW G30 and this is about how you can deactivate the stability control so you can burn your tires. And so we have the button here. So if you press only one time, you will deactivate the stability control, but the traction control will be still active, so you cannot burn your tires or something like this, or even make a drift. So if you press only one time, so traction is active and stability is inactive, like here. Comfort, the traction is still active, so you can see in here. Now I have just pressed only one time, so traction is still active. Now you have to deactivate it to let it so like standard. And now if you will press and you will let it press it 2 or 3 seconds, you will deactivate all stability control and grip control, so it is complete off. So one more time, reactivate it now, and if I let it press it now, are all deactivated. So brakes, steering control and all are deactivated. So with all deactivated, when you press for 2 or 3 seconds, you can burn your tires, make drift, or whatever what you make. If you want to find more about BMW G30, so let me know in the comments. I can show you all what you want.